Happy morning, dear students. Valga Velamudan. Yes, how are you all? Okay, dear children, listen. Today, you're going to see the elements of the weather. What are the elements of weather and climate? Temperature, pressure, and moisture, wind. Okay, so in the previous chapter we discussed and you learned that temperature and air pressure. Okay, today what is this? What you observe in the picture? 3 coconut tree, then sea. Yes, what you came to know from regarding this picture? It's blowing what? Okay, what we breathe? Oxygen. Oxygen is gas. Okay, oxygen gas. Generally we saying air. Okay, what we breathe? Air. Okay, but when it touches our body or in the tire we saying air. When it touches cool, pleasant, what we'll say? Wind. Okay, windy day, like that. So today you're going to see about the wind, one of the element of the weather and climate. Okay, yes, what is wind? In the previous we saw the pressure. Okay, air pressure. The air always moves from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. High pressure air where present? It is present in the oceanic areas. Yes, no? Low pressure winds present in the high mountains area. That is, the pressure of the air decreasing when it is the altitude is increasing. Okay. So now today wind, the movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure areas is called wind. Okay, children, from the oceanic area to altitude height, that hill area or the mountains, that wind, the pressure is decreasing. That's called wind. The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. Yes, children, you can see wind at work as it blows dry leaves, like in the picture, blows leaves down the pavement or uproots trees during a storm. Sometimes when the winds blows gently, you can even see it blowing away smoke or fine dust. Okay, that we will see. At times wind can be so strong that it is difficult to walk against it. Yes, at the month of July, that time it is very difficult for cycling or walking on the roadside. Okay, because that time the wind is very strong. You might have experienced it is not easy to hold an umbrella on a windy day. Okay, the umbrella also fly. Think of some other examples when strong winds created. What are the other effects you add? Sometimes the fine silt soil due to heavy strong winds, it's on our eyes. Okay, we are smashing our eyes like this. Then winds can be broadly that winds, okay, that strong winds or the normal winds. Winds means what? The moving air from high pressure area to low pressure area is called winds. And we saw a lot of problems. You may have experienced these problems. We can't hold the umbrella, everything. Okay. Yes, children. That winds divided into 3 major types. That is permanent winds, seasonal winds and local winds. Okay. So this permanent winds means what? Seasonal winds means what? And local winds what? That video, we can go to the video first today. Please you wait. Sometimes because due to the network. Yes. You please wait. This is permanent winds.
Another type of wind is the seasonal wind. These winds change their direction. Permanent winds take a little bit of time. Another type of
Monsoon is considered
The monsoon winds are the strong seasonal winds that blow from cold to warm regions. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. These winds are actually large-scale land and sea breezes. These winds change direction with the seasons, like from sea to land during one season and from land to sea during the other. Summer monsoons. When the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer, summers is experienced in Central Asia. As a result, the air above the land gets heated due to solar radiation and begins to rise, forming a low pressure zone. However, the surrounding oceans and seas are rather cooler and thus have high pressure over them. Therefore, the air begins to blow from high to low pressure, that is, from the sea to land. The warm winds on shore absorb moisture as they move over the sea and bring rainfall. This is summer monsoon. In India, summer monsoon.
Yes, children, that summer monsoon we used to say southwest monsoon. This monsoons probably appeared, gives more rainfall to the area of Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Gujarat. This monsoon starts in the month of June mid to August mid. Okay. Sometimes we used to say this is southwest monsoon and also pre-monsoon. Okay. This is pre-monsoon.
Monsoon is experienced in the regions like Western Ghats, Maharashtra, Gujarat, North India, the Himalayas, northeastern states, and West Bengal. Winter monsoons. When the sun is...
This monsoon we used to say that is northeast monsoon. Okay. When the sun rays falls on the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. At that time the winds gives the winds start low pressure, high pressure winds rises up. That because high pressure air. Okay. This winter season, winter monsoon, that is northeast monsoon, is called post monsoon. It gives more rainfall to the states like Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and West Bengal, okay, and also the Andhra Pradesh. This monsoon starts in the month of September to the month of December mid, okay, yes.
Over the Tropic of Capricorn, winter is experienced in Central Asia. As a result, the air above the land is cold and creates high pressure zone. However, the surrounding oceans and seas are rather warm and thus have low pressure over them. Therefore, the air begins to blow from land to sea.
Yes.
The dry, cold winds offshore do not bring rainfall. This is winter monsoon. In India, winter monsoon is experienced in the regions like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep, and some parts of West Bengal, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh.
Yes, dear. We will continue our